already honed it with this, so we know it's straight. We honed it a lot with this. So, but we wore this hone out. So now we're going over the ball hone just to put a nice finish on it. But we know it's straight. So we got 2 more cylinders to go. Let's go. It smells bad.
Yeah, it does.
Oh, it smells bad.
You want to use something else? It smells like cat pee.
Well, no cat went and peed in that oil bottle. It'd be difficult.
No, not. That would be just like a cat. To go up there on the shelf and just like pee right in that open container.
I want to see it again. How do cats pee?
Leave in the comments if you think we should clean this deck before we put the Felpro gasket on. Do you think we'll get any comments like, don't clean it, or you have to clean it? Well, duh.
Then we watched Daddy's Went Garage surface ahead with a battery.
Oh yeah, well we'd have to take these pins out.
Well, at least we can do the head.
Alright, it's a new day, and we have a new hone. I think we've got enough of our, pardon me, I'm eating peanut butter. We have enough material out of our damaged cylinder, and we're just going to use this ball hone that we just bought brand new, and we are going to, we've changed up our liquid lubricant to some old power steering fluid, because it's a light, oily thing that we have lying around that's not good for anything else, so we're recycling, which is important. So we're going to brush it out and try and get a crosshatch on it.
Okay. You want here? Yeah, it's better if I stand over here.
Are we starting at one end, or are we starting on... I want to get an idea how far down to the top of the black, sort of.
Yeah, okay, that makes sense. All right.
Is it raining?
Sure sounds like rain.
60 strokes a minute.
They said 10 to 15 seconds. Okay.
I'm getting good at the crossy-hatchy thing. Tell the camera.
What? Not to store water in an engine block. Okay.
That'll seal.
We're just trying to put a final...
Pistons are moving real fast.
We're trying to put a final hone on something we've honed straight.
And honed and honed and honed.
With a straight hone, but we've worn the straight hone out. And it's time to just get a crosshatch and be done with this. Okay?
Give me some more juice.
Yeah, you got plenty in there. See, now that looks nice.
Yeah, that looks like
that's ready.
She's a winner. Plenty of people who bring them around and drive them with...
I've had worse stuff than this that I put on the road and it worked fine.
You know, it's not going to be it's not going to be great. It's not going to be a race motor anyways.
It's a budget engine.
It's a salvage operation.
Better than the Holy Goat? Yeah.
Holy Goat? The Holy Goat is my deity of choice.
Okay.
Father, Son, and Holy Goat. Never speak ill of the Holy Goat.
That's quite a car.
In the lubricant, I can see this hatch angle. That's how I can adjust my speed.
Yeah, I've used these a lot and had good luck with them.
This is the product we're using. It's called a Flex Hone. Where'd we get this from? Amazon.
I think so.
Inspectador.
Okay.
Da 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 da. Inspector guard.
That's pretty good. I'd say they're all good right now, except this one. Let's just go after it.
I mean, are we to the point where it's not going to affect our ring yet? Remember, Tony held the light underneath to see if it was in...
That's what I'm going to ask you to do here in a minute.
Light bleed.
I think it's pretty darn good, actually.
I mean, compared to the amount of blow-by that I'm getting in the dart right now, I'll bet you